Hello, my name is Justin Holmes. I'm the account manager for Boundtree in Central and Eastern Kentucky. Let's talk about Stop the Bleed kits. We have 3 Stop the Bleed kits, starting with the basic, then intermediate, and then advanced kit. They all start with the ingredients that we have in the basic kit, which are gloves, a trauma dressing, tourniquet of your choice, 2 rolls of Z-fold gauze, trauma shears, and a Sharpie pen. Now you can order these Stop the Bleed kits with your favorite tourniquet, so you can pick whether it be a Sam XT, a Soft T Wide, or a cat tourniquet. The difference between a basic kit and an intermediate kit is a twin pack of chest seals. Then the advanced kit also comes with a twin pack of chest seals and a roll of combat gauze. You can get all of these kits on our website, boundtree.com.